Happy day 14. Good morning and happy day 14. I'm going to do the advent calendar early this morning. Oh, we got a white chocolate. And I think this one has like coconut or something. It's pretty good. Oh, good morning. Was your breakfast delicious? And mommy really needs to change this out. Okay, I think that we are 12 days till Christmas, so let's switch this up. I'm gonna go do the other calendar too. Well, hello. Look who showed up. You know what mommy's doing? You want a cookie? Okay, number 14 for the pups. A green bone. You haven't had a green bone yet. Are you excited? I know, it's so exciting. Okay, let me get this out. My goodness, stuck in there. All right, as you can see, I've been majorly slacking on the calendar. So let's get this over to 12. There we go. Every time I'm editing, every time, she just wants to play, right? You just want to play all the time, my baby. I'm sorry, honey. Mommy loves you. Yeah. Anybody else's dogs do this? She also gets very frustrated if she can't get it right. She needs to have it perfect, or she gets frustrated. So starting out in the kitchen again today, going to make one more batch of the Peanut Butter Temptation Reese cup cookies that I make every year because I still had a bunch of Reese's left over to use. So I'm making one batch of that, and then I'm also going to be making a shredded barbecue chicken recipe in the crock pot today to have for the week. I'm sure we'll eat it more than once because it's just the two of us. I might give some to my parents as well. So I'm watching Hallmark movies, got a load of laundry in, and yeah, just Mondays are for hustling and getting stuff done. So that's what I'm doing. And I might end up going out to Trader Joe's with Mama Bee later, so I will share that with you too. So I have got 2 cups of barbecue sauce, the one that my dad made us yesterday. I also added some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper, vinegar, and oil. I will link the recipe down below. I actually have it up right here on my computer, so I will link it down below. And then you're gonna use 3.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast that I'm gonna stick in here now, mix it all up, and then set it either for 3 hours on high or 6 hours on low. And the chicken should come out to about 165 degrees each. So I'm gonna prep that. I'll show you what it looks like after, and then I'm about to get these cookies done. All right, chicken's in. Set it for 4 hours on high, and I'll check it every little bit, but it should be good to go. All right, Mama Bee and I are going into Trader Joe's to check out all the seasonal stuff, see if we can find some yummy stuff for Christmas time. All right, so just got home with my goodies. I didn't film what Mama Bee got. She did get a few extra things that I didn't, like I think some asparagus spears and a couple things, but mostly I got the holiday stuff since I'm gonna be hosting at Christmas time. So a lot of these are for that. Specifically, these 3 things I thought were great for the graze board that I'm gonna be doing. So we have some vegetable pouches, some little beef bites that have mushroom and beef, and then some little mini quiches. So just little bite appetizer things. I'm gonna have like a whole charcuterie also. That's why we have some cheeses here, and I'm gonna be getting some meats at Costco. So just like a whole bunch of little bite-sized things. So I thought that was perfect for Christmas time. Then I got some Brussels sprouts for this week to pair with meals. And then got some vegetable fried rice and some roasted vegetables. Again, great pairings for the week. And then I got some of this pepper jelly because I heard really, really good things about it. And apparently it had been sold out for a while at the local Trader Joe's. So I had to get one to try. So we had jalapeno jelly on one of the dishes that we had at the Ember restaurant. It was so good. And then I also got some of this bruschetta. Thought that would just be a nice little different thing to try. Same thing with this red curry sauce. I wanted to try it as a different thing I can use for chicken dishes. And then I've heard really good things about this hot sauce, the jalapeno pepper hot sauce, and I saw that it was flying off the shelves, so it must be good. And it's pretty reasonably priced too. And then for the cheeses, I have a blueberry goat cheese and a cranberry and goat cheese. These are really popular around the holidays usually. They're so good. And then we have a brie with truffle. And then I have some of these little rosettes. I thought they were so pretty. And they look really good too. And then Sadiekins21 here on YouTube, she vlogs every day until Christmas too, but she does, I don't know if she does it, calls it Vlogsember, I think, but doesn't matter. She talked about these on her channel, and they're chocolate and road sandwich cookies. And there's a couple different variations here. Double chocolate, peppermint, peanut butter, and vanilla ginger. So I just thought these would be really pretty as well for our little stuff for Christmas time. Then I got these winter wake up teas because, again, I've heard really good things about them, and I know a few people that love tea, so I thought these would be really nice accompaniments with their gifts for Christmas. And then I've had both of these previously. I love their crisps. This is raisin and rosemary, and this is fig and olive. The fig and olive is my favorite, especially paired with one of these. So good. But I also got some regular crackers too for the charcuterie. And then I've never tried this, but it sounded really interesting. Sugar plum sparkling beverage. I'm gonna try it with the kids when they're here for Christmas time. And then I also got a Pellegrino. I think that's it. I got to get this put all away. It's smelling really good in here. We've got the crock pot still going back there. And I need to finish cleaning up all the cookies over there too. Okay, laundry, check. All folded. It just has to be put away, which probably won't happen till tomorrow. Really bad windshield, but I'm picking up groceries. So glamorous. This one's with me, but she's being a little fresh because she's so protective of me. I can't even leave the window open right now because she keeps barking at every person that walks by. But this is her not really barking. Did you hear that? All right, it's a little messy, obviously, but this is what it looks like. These are the buns that I'm using. Let you know what he thinks after. Also watching Monday Night Football. And my candles came in. Always next to me. So as I said earlier, my Bath & Body Works candle order came in from the candle sale, so I thought I'd share what I got. So I got Pink Fairy Gumdrop. I already knew I loved this one. It's a very sweet scent. It's going to be for my beauty room, but I just love the girly packaging. And then a lot of these are new for me except for the hot cocoa and cream. I've had that one before and I love this one. It smells seriously like hot cocoa. Tree Farm, I got this one because of the cute packaging. Not gonna lie, look how cute that one is. I think I'm like over the balsam already because we've been burning that all beginning of the Christmas season right now. So I'm kind of moving on to spicier like cinnamon and cranberry and probably these kind of cocoa and gingerbread ones. This one's very spicy smelling, so I can't wait to see how that burns. This one I'm not sure I love, vanilla balsam. I thought it'd be an interesting combo to have the sweeter with the balsam, but we'll see how it burns, but I don't love it at first sniff. And then I already told you about that one.